Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. So this is a little backstory to this one. I just got a new Samsung because my old one got wrecked. And when I make videos with this, I always use my, most of the time I use an external USB-C microphone just because the sound for the regular Samsung, if you get far away, the sound it doesn't work. So I have these little parts that I put in for my USB microphone here. The only problem is this nice case I got for it is too thick. So this couldn't plug in there all the way because it's hitting on the case. So I was like, well, I really like this case. It's super nice. I didn't want to get rid of my case and I didn't want to drill on it or anything to make that smaller. So I found these cool little items here on Amazon. And basically, it's just a little miniature adapter here. Really super small. So I can just put this right in there. Boom, just like that. And now, I can just push this right in here. And instead of having to get a whole new case, now I can do my pro video with my USB microphone attached on there. So that's really nice. And that solves the whole issue right there. Just this little pack here. It comes with two of them. Super handy. And now I can use my microphone. So I think that's really cool. Solved my issue. I didn't want to like replace my whole phone case and all that and get a new one or like cut this one out with a Dremel or something stupid. But like I said, I really like the case, wanted to keep that, and I was like, look, what's the solution for that? So a nice little solution right here. Yeah, pretty sweet, super small. I guess they're like super fast too, so you can connect other things too. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I thought I'd share this, my friends, in case you guys run into the same issue that I'm having with it. And now you can resolve that. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.